The brown fish owl, Ketupa zeylonensis, is a formidable, large predatory bird native to South and Southeast Asia. Famous for its striking golden yellow eyes, shaggy ear tufts, and specialized diet of aquatic creatures, this nocturnal apex hunter plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of wetlands and riverine ecosystems. The brown fish owl is a robust and large species of owl, measuring up to 58 centimeters in length with a wingspan stretching nearly 1.5 meters. Unlike many other owls, it lacks a dense, bowl-shaped facial disc, giving it a more scruffy and raptor-like appearance. Its feathers are a rich, mottled chestnut-brown with dark streaks and crossbars, which provide exceptional camouflage against surrounding tree barks and shadows. One of its most defining features is its long, unfeathered, yellowish legs. These are equipped with rough, sharp scales and powerful talons specifically adapted for gripping slippery, wriggling prey. True to its name, the brown fish owl is almost always found in close proximity to permanent water bodies, such as slow-moving rivers, streams, lakes, and reservoirs. While most owls rely on their extraordinary hearing to hunt terrestrial rodents in total silence, the brown fish owl is an opportunistic fisherman. Its diet consists heavily of fish, frogs, and freshwater crabs, though it will also prey on snakes, lizards, and occasionally small birds. Because its feathers are not fully silent during flight, it employs a highly visual hunting technique. It will perch on a low, overhanging branch or a rock overlooking a body of water, meticulously watching the surface. Once it spots a target, it swoops down low, sometimes skimming the water's surface, and rapidly extends its legs to scoop up the prey. It will also occasionally wade directly into shallow waters. Brown fish owls are known to mate for life, maintaining strong partnerships. Their breeding season generally runs from November to March across India, but extends slightly later into April in Sri Lanka. Like many owls, they do not build their own nests. Instead, females will lay their clutch of 1 to 3 eggs in natural tree hollows, on cliff ledges, on steep riverbanks, or in the abandoned stick nests of larger birds. Their presence is often announced at night by a deep, resonant, and echoing hoo-hoo or tu-woo-hoo call, which can carry quite far across the jungle canopy to establish territorial boundaries and communicate with mates. Let's protect nature for the future. Save our wildlife. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.